Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to make a headings on Google Docs. So here, I've already opened my Google Docs file. So to make a headings, you can actually just block or select the parts of your docs that you want to make headings, and then go to this setting, this normal text, to change the styles into headings. So just click on the drop down, and then you can see there are three options for heading, and you can just choose which one that you want to apply to your text that you selected. For example, I want to apply the heading to, so just click on that, and the headings will be created and it will be changed accordingly like this. And if you click on the outline, you can see here is the heading that you just added. Okay guys, so that's all for me. If you think this content is helpful, don't forget to click thanks, like, and comment this video, and also subscribe to our channel if you haven't done that. I'll catch you all in the next following videos. Bye.